Are you tired of trying different diets and still not losing weight? If so, it's time to consider intermittent fasting as a way to unlock rapid weight loss. In this video, I will provide you with all the information you need to know about intermittent fasting and how it can help you shed those unwanted kilos. So, intermittent fasting is not a diet. It's an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. By restricting your eating window, intermittent fasting allows your body to burn stored fat for energy, resulting in weight loss. But it's not just about losing weight. Intermittent fasting has also shown to improve overall health, increase energy levels, and even slow down the aging process. In this video, I'll talk about the science behind how intermittent fasting works for weight loss. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, but they all involve dividing your day or week into fasting and eating periods. One of the most popular methods of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating windows to 8 hours. Another method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your caloric intake to 500 to 600 calories for the remaining 2 days. Intermittent fasting has been practiced for centuries and is rooted in ancient traditions. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and effectiveness for weight loss. So let's take a closer look at how intermittent fasting works for weight loss. So guys, the science behind intermittent fasting and weight loss is complex but fascinating. Of course, you don't need to understand the nitties and gritties of the interplay of hormones and metabolic changes that happen when you fast or when you eat. But let me still cover the basics. So when you fast, your body undergoes several physiological changes that contribute to weight loss. First, fasting triggers a metabolic switch from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy. This results in fat loss and a decrease in body weight. Fasting also leads to a decrease in insulin levels, which promotes fat burning and prevents fat storage. By restricting your feeding window, intermittent fasting helps control your caloric intake. Since you have a limited time to eat, you're less likely to consume excessive calories. This creates a caloric deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Let me say this. This is by far the biggest benefit of time-restricted feeding. In the internet age, where you're online 24/7, where tasty, delicious food is just 30 minutes away, just one trigger can cause you to pick up the phone and order in. Food companies spend billions of dollars on advertising to ensure that you keep binging all day. Don't allow these food companies to hijack your health and say no to food for at least 16 hours per day. Even though caloric restriction can be followed without restricting your feeding window, and no study exists that concludes that time-restricted feeding is better for weight loss, but in my 15 plus years of experience in the health and fitness industry, I can say this with confidence. By restricting your feeding window, your caloric consumption does go down in the long term, and this means weight loss. Intermittent fasting also has a positive impact on your hormones. It increases the production of human growth hormone, which helps burn fat and build muscle. It also reduces insulin resistance and improves insulin sensitivity, leading to better sugar control and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, intermittent fasting has also been shown to increase the production of certain proteins and enzymes that promote fat burning and cellular repair. This can help slow down the aging process and improve overall health. While intermittent fasting is generally safe for most people, it may not be suitable for everyone. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any diet or fasting regime, especially if you have an underlying health condition, you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking medications. If you're ready to take control of your weight and transform your health, intermittent fasting can be a game changer. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix or a magic solution. It requires commitment, patience, and consistency. But with the right mindset and approach, you can successfully incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle and enjoy the benefit it offers.